Hello guys, welcome to Ogi Tech, and today just a brief video. And what I want us to look at today is why you need to always have something to cover your gadget, especially the phones. So what happened this morning? This phone fell, and of course you can see the glass is shattered. Now one thing is that if this phone wasn't having something to cover it, most likely there could have been a crack on it. And as a phone user, you want to do two things with your phone. One, you want to ensure that your phone lasts for a long time. Two, you also want to ensure that if you want to sell it, like eventually you want to sell the phone or probably want to give it to someone, you want to give it to that person in a good condition. And also, mind you, if you decide to sell the phone and there are scratches on the screen, or probably there are like deformities or breaks, then what happens? The value of that phone goes drastically down. So if you're gonna sell this phone for like $1,000, then if it's broken, you may have to like $200 or $300 because the buyer will want to tell you, okay, that you have to change the screen or change one part of the phone. So it's always essential to know that phones, you need to handle them with care, especially flexible phones like this. So when this phone fell in the morning, the impact was on the glass. However, I had a double protector on it. So one, we had this one. So I'm going to throw this one away anyway. So now also have a protector for the cameras, as you can see. And also have a, there are some dead cells, but I can clean that up. Also have a cup protection for the hinge on the Flip7. And also have something to like, in case I want to watch any video on it. So the idea of this video is to let you know what you know, that the best way to protect your valuable phone is to always keep it in a good casing, protective casing. So this one has a double, so it also has another protective lens on it. I mean, glass on this side of, on the screen, on the cover screen. So you can see. So now, if I remove all these ones, you will see how the phone itself looks like. Looks like a brand new phone actually. So if I want to sell it, I'm still gonna sell it maybe like 80% or 90% the original price. So so it looks clean, this new, and that is my Flip7. So it's a quick video to let you know that is essential when you buy things like these that are quite expensive. You need to take care of them, okay, so that you don't waste money. And also, when you use the phone for a while, you will sell it at the price that is good and best for you. So that's a quick one. Watch, like, subscribe, and comment also, and also share. See you next one. Bye bye.